guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo changes on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the Wix website editor. So in here, as you can see, I have recently added this persons right here. So if you want to undo the changes, I can just click on this right here, which is the undo button. So once you have clicked on that, it will be able to show you what your website look like specifically. So just click on undo. As you can see, a change has happened. So you can just click on this one to undo and just click on this right here to redo. But another case will happen if you want to actually undo some changes that you have made specific times ago. So let's head over to our Wix dashboard. And then from in there, you should be able to see this setting. Once you have head over to your settings, you should be able to see in here your website settings. Then once you have head over to website settings, just scroll all the way down until you reach the site history. So click on restore versions right here. And then just look for the site version that is actually fitting on the ones that you want to undo. So for example, I want to restore the version which I have created this February 1. So I can just click on this right here to view what the website looks like and restore it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to undo changes on your website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!